Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery drain on your Motorola Moto G87. So first, to go over into the settings, and in the settings you need to scroll down to battery. Now in the battery, we click on battery usage, and here we have 3 apps that we can use last 14 days or last 24 hours depending on how big of a battery drain we do have. And here we have 5 top apps that are all going in the background. So as you guys can see, we can manage app battery use, and we can click don't allow so that they don't run in the background and that they basically preserve battery life for our device. And that's the first step to stopping the battery drain. Of course, if you have something like Android system key verifier, I wouldn't recommend not allowing it in the background. I would keep it just the way it is. But for the apps that are not system, then I would recommend changing it. Of course, we also want to uninstall some bloatware. So if we don't need some apps on our device, for example, if we don't need some apps like, let's say, booking, if you cannot uninstall it, then simply at least try and swipe it here, see if it is unable to uninstall. And we can do that for every app like Instagram, also TikTok. So this is the bloatware that I just don't want on my device, and now it won't drain our battery. What are we going to do next is we're opening Play Store, and here in the Play Store we need to go over and go to search for apps and games, and search for AccuBattery. So we're downloading AccuBattery. Of course, it has to be made by Digibyte, so ignore the sponsored one. Click here, click on install, and it should install pretty quickly. Here we just want to see if we have any red errors towards our battery, so that if something comes up, then we know that it's the battery fault. And now we're gonna let it install, and I'll see you guys in a second. Now let's open up the app, and here what we need to do is we need to go over here. Now here we have the calibration process, so we're gonna click continue, and it gave us the battery design capacity, so it shows that it's 5,293 here. But we don't really care about what design it gives us. We can also just change it to, let's say, 50,000, so it doesn't really matter. We're going to click finish, and the only red error that we are getting is that the app may be killed in the background, so this is something that we can easily remove and it will be no issue. But there's no errors, so we can just leave the app. And now what we want to do is we want to restart our phone to refresh the system. So press the power button, the volume up button, and tap on the restart. So we are restarting our system just to make sure that we refresh our system so that there's no any old apps that are running in the background and killing our battery. And of course, I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart right here, we're simply going to unlock our phone. And as a last resort, we need to go over to the authorized device service center because there may be an error that user cannot find. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.